I have a super fun nature project-based project for you guys to do. This month in April, we are talking about worldly weather, so seasons, storms, all that kind of stuff that deals with nature. So what you will need for this project is paper, construction paper, scissors, colored markers, crayons, or colored pencils, or you can even use paint as well. And then you'll also need some type of like rope or fishing line or string, and then also some sticks. So the other day I went on a nature walk and I picked out some sticks, and I'm gonna show you guys what I finally made. So here is my finished weathermobile. I had so much fun making this project. So what I did is I drew out some leaves, lightning bolts, clouds, a sun, and then also a rainbow and raindrops. And then I colored them, cut them out. And then the other thing that I did after that was I took a safety pin because I used fishing line. So your parents will have to help you with that if you guys have fishing line at home, or you can use a hole puncher, anything like that, to actually poke holes in the top of all of your designs. And then what you will do is you will thread it through the design that you decide to put on there first, and then you will tie it, and then you will tie it also to any part of the stick that you want. So you can do that with as many different designs as you want. You could add flowers, you can add, white puffy clouds, you could even add a tornado if you feel like doing that as well. So it was just so much fun to actually make this. And then how I actually got all the sticks together was I took my hot glue gun, which your parents will have to help you out with, and I glued the sticks together along with some string that I can actually attach it to like a hook or something in my house that I'm gonna hang it up from. So I hope you guys really enjoyed looking at the mobile, just kind of thinking of like what you would want to put on there, anything nature-based, super fun. I just love bringing nature outside, inside. So I just thought it was a very fun activity for you guys to try and do. So I hope you guys enjoyed and get outside and enjoy that nice spring weather.